We are not mere spectators in this cosmic charade. No, we are entangled in its very fabric. This universe of ours, it demands our participation, as twisted and perplexing as that may be. What we naively dub physical reality is nothing more than a flimsy construct, a papier-mâché mockery of our own minds, slathered haphazardly between the unyielding iron pillars of what we observe. These observations, like it or not, are the only true substance. Until we fathom why the universe is thusly fashioned, we are but novices grasping at shadows. It is only when we embrace the absurdity of it all that the simplicity of the cosmos might reveal itself to us. Lend me your ears, for the tale of our existence is a labyrinthine one. In the grand tapestry of existence, we are not solitary wanderers, but interwoven threads in the cosmic fabric. To sustain our fragile planet, we must evolve, both as individuals and as a collective. Personal enlightenment is but a spark, a necessary ember that ignites the fire of collective awakening. For too long, we have danced on the precipice of ruin, driven by ignorance and apathy, mistaking our shadows for the real. This world, a delicate sphere adrift in the vast expanse, requires more than our cursory stewardship. It demands a profound shift in consciousness. Our planet, scarred and weary from our exploits, whispers to those who listen. It tells of the need for harmony, for an evolution of mind and spirit that transcends the petty squabbles and short-sighted greed that have plagued us. Personal growth is the first step, a journey inward where we confront our demons and emerge wiser. But this journey must not end at the self. It must ripple outward, transforming the collective psyche. We must recognize that we are custodians, not conquerors. Our observations and actions, steeped in an evolved consciousness, shape reality itself. Until we grasp the interconnectedness of all things, we remain but children fumbling in the dark. The universe, in its infinite strangeness, beckons us to understand that simplicity lies in embracing the complexity of our bonds. Only then, when we evolve in tandem with our kin and our world, can we hope to be worthy guardians of this celestial haven.